What's up, YouTube? This Chris back with another video. An unboxing video. ShopGoodwill.com. I got one home subwoofer speaker. I think it's JBL. The box is huge. I don't know why they shipped it in this big old box. They always do that. I got boxes over here that's the stuff is half the size and they still ship it out in this big giant box. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Cullen Pond. Sorry about that. That's my brother-in-law. He want to know what pawn shop I'm going to. Probably take this to the pawn shop, see what they give me for it. If not, I listed online. It's JBL. Tested and works great. Hopefully it works great. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the Cashapp if you want to donate to the channel. The link to all four of my eBay stores in the description. eBay, Poshmark, Mecari, and whatnot. Whatnot's doing video game. On May 12th at 7 p.m. 2023, I'm doing a whatnot option for video games. So stay tuned for that. You sign up, be a $15 credit, and let's get into it. I gotta go. I'm doing the video. Sorry about that, y'all. Every time I'm doing a video, that's when everybody want to come to the door. Seem like they don't want to bother me. But I'm sweating. Sorry, I've been running around trying to get shit together. Damn, I almost dropped the camera. I almost ruined the video. It's ridiculous how they do it. This big old box for not a big ass product. But yeah. Still got styrofoam on it. Ooh. Like I don't have enough packaging stuff. Dang, this thing is heavy. Maybe they need it. Maybe they did need this box. Oh, I don't want to knock over the camera. I did not think this thing was this big. Maybe they do need the box. Dang. Half of them full of packaging peanuts. Whoa. Give me a second. This. Got a big mess to clean up. Big mess. Let me see. Sorry about this, y'all. Ooh, this is a lot for for this one item. It really, it's easier than I thought. All right. And we got it. Friday. Yeah. Huh? I'm doing a video, man. I told you. I said I'm doing a video. I told you. But then just go, man, because I'm doing the video, man. Eric, you interrupted my video, man. That's. And they ruined my video. JBL speaker. I'm trying to see is it a board in here. So it's not a power cord unless it's in the box. But it's a nice speaker. Real nice speaker. So it look like there's no cord to it, so I don't think I'll be able to take it to the pawn shop. But yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the Cashapp. It's hot. You got me a little workout in. Hit the Cashapp. Like, comment, subscribe. The link to all 4 of my e-commerce stores in the description. Till next time, God bless.